श्रीमात्रे नमः। ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ऐं क्लीं सौः हंसशिवसोऽहं मस्फ्रें मधक्षमरुं मदं दक्षमरीं सौः स्वरूपनिरूपणे हेतवे सुगुरवे श्री अन्नपूर्णाम्बा सहितं श्री अमृतानन्दनाथ सरस्वती श्रीगुरु श्रीपादकां पूजयामि तर्पयामि नमः। ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ऐं क्लीं सौः हंसशिवसोऽहं मस्फ्रें मधक्षमरुं असौं साक्षमरीं सौः स्वरूपनिरूपणे हेतवे सुगुरुवे श्री अन्नपूर्णाम्बा सहितं श्री अमृतानन्दनाथ सरस्वती श्रीगुरु श्रीपादकां पूजयामि तर्पयामि नमः। शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं दधिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तयेत्। अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानां एकदन्तम् उपास्महे। गणानां त्वा गणपतिं गवामहे कविं कवीनाम् उपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पदान् शृण्वन्नोतिभित्तिदसादनम्। ॐ श्रीमन्महागणाधिपतये नमः। ध्यायामि। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वसमानय स्वाहा। So far we have learned Om Bhadram Karneभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैः स्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यसेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धस्रवाः स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्ठनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पति दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ नमस्ते गणपतये त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं धर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं भर्तासि त्वमेव सर्वं खल्विदं ब्रह्मासि त्वं साक्षादात्मासि नित्यं ऋतं वच्मि सत्यं वच्मि अवत्वं माम् अववक्तारम् अवश्रोतारम् अवधातारम् अवधातारम् अवानूचानमवशिष्यम् अवपश्चात्तात् अवपुरस्तात्तात् अवोत्तरात्तात् अवदक्षिणात्तात् अवचोर्ध्वात्तात् अवाधरात्तात् सर्वतो मां पाहि पाहि समन्तात्। त्वं वाङ्मयस्त्वं चिन्मयः त्वमानन्दमयस्त्वं ब्रह्ममयः त्वं सच्चिदानन्दादितीयोऽसि त्वं प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वं ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानमयोऽसि सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तो जायते सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तत्तिष्ठति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि लयमेष्यति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि प्रत्येति। त्वं भूमिरापो नलो निलो नभः त्वं चत्वारि वाक्पदानि त्वं गुणत्रयातीतः त्वम् अवस्थात्रयातीतः त्वं देहत्रयातीतः त्वं कालत्रयातीतः त्वं मूलाधारस्थितोऽसि नित्यं त्वं शक्तित्रयात्मकः त्वां योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यं त्वं ब्रह्मा त्वं विष्णुत्वं रुद्रस्त्वम् इन्द्रस्त्वम् अग्निस्त्वं वायुस्त्वं सूर्यस्त्वं चन्द्रमा त्वं ब्रह्म भूर्भुवः स्वरोम्. We are in the same sloka for the past 3 days, if you know. Gunatrayatita. Atita. Easily we got stuck. So, today, Tvam Shaktitriyatmakaha. That's what we are describing. Ichha Shakti, Jnana Shakti, Kriya Shakti. Ichha, the beginning of a desire that you cannot stop. It will be there. But if you get involved instead of observing, you put yourself behind the Ichha and go behind the Ichha to fulfill the Ichha as if you are the one who produced the Ichha. Naru posinivadu neeru poyida antaru. The one who has given the Ichha will fulfill the Ichha if you are keeping your mouth shut and hands tied. That's the highest. So instead of observing if I am going, what happens is Ichha is here, very close to mother. The same Ichha becomes Kama. That means without this, I cannot survive. The whole life, the time, energy, emotions, everything, money, everything is spent only on fulfilling that Ichha. That's when it becomes Kama. If you observe the letter, Ichha is necessary. That's why God is producing. Ichha for living, desire for living, Ichha for doing good things, Ichha for becoming spiritual and realizing yourself. Everything is fine. That's here. The Jnana Netra. Ichha Shakti, Jnana Shakti, Kriya Shakti. The triangle is necessary, but then when you go behind that, then Ka Anahata Ma. Where is that? Babhamma Yarala. Swadhisthana. So the universal desire becomes a selfish desire. For me, for my family. Only for this purpose. Instead of thinking for the welfare of the people, constantly the jiva thinks about him and his own family. Kama. The one who is the Ishvara, the controller of this Kama desire, again is Kameshvara. And the power of Kameshvara is either he can fulfill. You have to come out. See, this is a contamination. Why it is called contamination? Upanishad says, Purnamadaha Purnamidam, Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat. I am complete. How can the completeness have a desire? What is making it to go for something as if it is not there in me? Just because I am seeing in the world? And the one who created this myth is another part of this Kameshwara. Kameshwari, this is a play between the Pati Patni. और in between, बीच में हम लड़क गए हैं वो पति पत्नी और वो. So this Kameshwari gives the luring effect, tempting effect. Kameshwara controls. So either he fulfills the desire or kills the desire. Both are his capacity. But who is this Ganapati? Kameshwara Mukhaloka Kalpita Sri Ganeshwara. Because he has come from the energy of Kameshwara, definitely he is Ichha Shakti. Kameshwarudi Ichha valla puttinavadu. Ichha valla janinchindi. So Kameshwara frees you from Ichha and gives you Svecha. ఇచ్చ నుండి బయటకు వచ్చిన వాడికి స్వేచ్ఛ ఉంటుంది. Lot of things are controlling my movement. If these are not there, perfect. You are all perfect. We are all perfect. You know what to do. You know where to go. Out of compulsion, out of responsibility, out of inability, inefficiency, obligation, weakness, so many factors affect me, and knowing fully well, like a male elephant goes and get trapped into the pit, going behind the desire for the female elephant, the jiva goes behind the desire, and the samsara gets trapped in the wheel of karma, janana marana chakra. This is what is happening. So, Ichha Shakti is one Shakti that is causing the desire. Jnana Shakti is the one who gives, if it is right or wrong. I need to observe. Who will decide whether the Ichha is right or not? The producer, the parent of the Ichha. So all you have to do is observe your mind. Let the mind produce like a bubbles. You know the soap bubble? You go behind one soap bubble, but you are leaving hundreds of soap bubbles. You are not knowing. So let the bubbles go. You enjoy that play. The one who produced the bubble will know whether it has to remain as a full bubble or blast in the beginning itself. Kameshwara. So I observe. And how can I control my mind for observing? Connect your mind to Kameshwara or Ishvara or Brahma or Ganesha, whatever it may be, and look at this world inside which is producing thoughts, and this world outside which is producing emotions. The thoughts get bounced on the world and outside and gets you back pain or pleasure. This is what is happening. I want a Tesla car, Ichha. Outside, emotion, I don't have a Tesla car. Pain. So the thoughts inside bounce on the walls of the world, produce a pleasure or a pain. To avoid the sandwiching between the inner world and the outer world, thoughts and emotions, I need to fix my attention on the one who produced both. First of all, thoughts are produced by mind, and mind is controlled by the Chandra, and the Chandra is sitting on the head of Ishvara. See how this link is going. So, I fix my attention on Kameshwara, then he takes the control of mind, then the thoughts will be controlled, and the world produced by the thoughts will not cause pain to you. It will not hurt you. Trust me. So, Ichha Shakti, Jnana Shakti, that Vichakshana, the great skill of identifying and analyzing whether this desire is necessary or not, that is given by also Ganapati in the form of Saraswati. And what is the thumb rule? Any desire which fulfills the permanent happiness of myself and the permanent happiness of the world, tick. Both should be satisfied. Very hard. Everything will be filtered out. Permanent. At least long lasting. So the Saraswati, Ganesha in the form of Saraswati, identifies the desire and maintains it. It's a process, manufacturing process. When I worked in Johnson & Johnson, I worked on the software manufacturing process, production, control, sales, raw material. This is all happening here. So, Ichha Shakti, Jnana Shakti, Kriya Shakti. Once this Jnana Shakti analyzes and allows this Ichha to become an action, the lesser the action, the safer for you. Lesser the action, the safer for you. So the Ichha starts from here, it travels, and when it gets stuck in the Mooladhara, that's when it will not come up. And you go into fulfilling the Ichha, then you get into the Jnaninam Vijayasanti Devi Bhavati Sa Balad Akrushya Mohaya. You go into the willful. So Kriya Shakti again is the Ganapati in the form of Durga. Durga means protection, fort. So she will, once you worship Ganapati, then he will be in the form of Durga to protect you and allow only those actions which are necessary for you. Who are you? Neither you are the controller of Ichha, nor you are the controller of Jnana, nor you are the controller of Kriya. All combined together, when I am connected to Ganapati, I am safe. So, Tvam Shakti Trayatmakaha. Now comes Tvam Yogino Dhyayanti Nityam. Yogam. What is, again, this fulfillment of Ichha also, there is a rule. Most of the full Ichha should be fulfilled Sankalpa Matrena, manifestation. And that's possible the more you suppress the mind by more japam. Only one thumb rule I am telling for the past 15 days. Japam, japam, japam. 10 hours japam you have to do. Can you do? 10 hours. You can. Mobile chalte firte. Vishalamma says, Ramachandra, 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 Ramachandra. Is it not japam? Make your colloquial conversations into conversation with God. There's a book, Conversation with God. You choose. Anybody read that book, Conversation with God? Good. It's a wonderful book. Conversation in the world should be turned into conversation with the God. Very simple. As frequently, I'm 100% guarantee you, focus on japam. Reduce these other rituals. But attend module 1 and 2 to know what is the ritual. Right? So, once you do the japam produces, you are everything. It brings out the inner power in you. That power is lost because I am becoming a slave to the mind and the produced thought. It's babies. And the babies are controlling the grandparents who are there before the babies. Indriyas. Everything I'm becoming a slave. That's why I'm my power. Again, that's where, if you, small example, Normally, if somebody asks you to walk a little bit fast, no, Baba, I'm very tired. I'm 66. How can you expect me to walk? It's an easy chair life, you say. Mind forces you. You are old. You are old. You are old. That is scene one. Suppose a tiger comes now. Mind immediately puts fear in me. Oh my God, this tiger is going to eat. But then there is some inner power which suppresses the mind. Chup, let me run. And trust me, you will be the winner of Olympics at that time. Where is that strength coming? Ichha Shakti, Jnana Shakti, Kriya Shakti. All the three are in you. Under the influence of mind, they are covered like eclipse. And this Ganapati removes that cover and brings out the inner. So, all your fulfill, many people ask, for fulfilling my desire, what I need to do? You don't need to do anything. Japam, 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 japam. By japam, you can manifest, number one. Number two, veeratvam. By courage, you can solve, you can fulfill your Deenatvam. Lavukinteledu. Surrender to God. Then also you can get. Suppose you cry and throw the things, the mother won't give. Then, Mama, please, please give me. I will be all right. I will never cry. Promise. Okay, take it. This is mother. That is mother. Deenatvam, Veeratvam, and manifest Kriyatmaka Shakti. So many ways I can fulfill my desire if it is necessary for me. If it is not necessary, so many ways I can stop that desire. Again, everything is in your japam. So, Tvam yogino dhyayante nityam. Yogaha. What is yogam? Whatever work you are doing, dhyana dhyatru dhyaya rupa. That is yogam. Manamatrumeya rupa. Everything should merge into one. That is yoga. Nadabindu kalatmaka sariram. That one comes later. So yogi focuses on what he does. And then three stages in our body itself. From Manipura to Mooladhara, it is a place for rogi. Always craving for something as if you don't have anything. I don't have anything. That's when the beggar comes to you, without your knowledge, he'll say, I don't have anything, go away. Dabbulle will. That's when the Lakshmi says, Tadhastu. And the people come to the Guru, Guruji, my financial status. Because you told. Rogi. Whatever you have, you don't enjoy or identify or recognize, and that is Rogi. Bhogi, Bhoga Sariram is from Manipura to Vishuddhi. Bhoga Sariram. That way, whatever is there. I still remember long time back, about 16, when I was 16, 17. I went to a small village, and outside, moonlight, there's a cot with jute coir. You know that small cot in the villages? On that, they put a bed sheet and with a aluminum tray, aluminum plate, silver dokkantar, not that silver dok, German silver or whatever. They gave me some rice with the pickle. Moonlight, that cart, I mean eating, and then the announcement, first show at 7 o'clock, that Dandora came. Now you don't enjoy those luxuries. What a joy it produced in me, even now I can recollect that joy. Bhoga Shariram. Small thing. Now, even if I go to the multiplex theater, I may not get that. Agree? Bhoga Shariram. That bhogam is here. And now, here is yogam. Yoga, yogi is here. And this is very close to Ambal, third eye. This yogi is a satisfied soul. It's already everything. ఏం చూసినా ఏది నాకు పెర్మనెంట్ ఆనందం ఇవ్వలేదు. అన్నీ అక్కర్లేదు. దిస్ ఇస్ నాట్ వాట్ ఐ వాంట్. సో హీ హాజ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్డ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ by mere look, some things, by experiencing in reality, by knowing fully well about that, is contented. That yogi should not have any desire, right? He is very close to mother, and the mother's effect will be on the yogi, yogasthiti. That yogi also will be meditating on this Ganapati, as if that is your Dhyanagamya aparichedya jnanada jnana vigraha. Dhyanagamya. That yogi will have this Ganapati as the aim. So yogi, yogino, dhyayanti nitya. Always he will be meditating on Ganapati. And then Sayog Tvam Yogino Dhyayanti Nityam. Then he says, 2 times Brahma will come in this statement, if you observe. Tvam Brahma, Tvam Vishnu, Tvam Rudrastvam, Indrastvam, Agnistvam, Vayustvam, Suryastvam, Chandramatvam. Brahma, Bhur, Bhuvasvaro. Where are these? Inside. You are the Brahman. You are the creator of thought. You are the creator of this body. You are the creator of joy and navarasas. Everything in me. Brahma. That's it. Not the Parabrahman. Brahma. Tvam Vishnutvam. The Jataragni you is you. All the Saptadhatus are you. That bonding which keeps me, muscular dystrophy. The muscle is there, the body is there, but it's not keeping in position. Parkinson's disease, everything is fine, something is missing. You are the Vishnu, power of Vishnu, which keeps every limb, every part of my body intact in proper shape. I bow to you. Now you know why you have to pray. Not to get anything, but to keep this body intact. Right? You don't know what is the pain if we have one defect. Those people who have that defect talk to me. So, Tvam Vishnutvam, Tvam Rudrastvam. You are the one who is controlling me. Otherwise I'm a Pashu, controlled by Indriyas. My anger you have to control. My desire you have to control. My waywardliness you have to control. My karma, all the mean lower level desires you have to control. And Pashupati, you are in me, controlling me with your Trishula. Tvam Rudrastvam. Brahmatvam, Vishnutvam, Rudrastvam. Tvam Indrastvam. Indra is known for power. Indra is known for bhoga. Whatever life I have, if I am enjoying, if I am having 10 rupees, I am enjoying 10 rupees, I may not the multi-millionaire. Or the one who is having 10 crores of money and looking for the another 10 crores. He is a pauper. So, you are the one who is giving me bhoga and the power, not the power externally, on me. Rudrastvam. Rodasiti iti Rudraha. Because if you pray to Rudram, anyways, I'll make the people cry when I leave this body. That can't be stopped. Unless I'm a horrible fellow. Well, people will celebrate firing crackers. But people will cry. 11 indriyas, 5 jnana indriyas, 5 karma indriyas, 1 manas. 11 from that, the prana will go. He's a chora, he's a taskara, he's a cheater, vancha. And that's why Ekarasa Rudra. That I cannot avoid. But inside, for not fulfilling my desires, I am crying every time. That crying will stop if I worship you. Tvam Rudrastvam. You are the killer of my pain and the producer of joy. Rudra is not just a villain. No. Rudra is Isha. Shankara. Shamkara. శుభమును కలిగించేవాడు శం. శర్మదాయిని, శాంకరి, శంకర, ఎవ్రీథింగ్. సో ఈజ్ an auspicious, you are auspicious energy enemy. Tvam Indrastvam. Tvam Agnisthvam. There are 3 Agnis I have been telling. Jnanagni, Jataragni, Kamagni. You are the one who balances this Agni to give me complete life. Give me a complete life. That's why in the movies also, I think, when the fellow dies, that lamp will go. We all cry. Right? Symbolic representation. Why this lamp is going? Because that Agni, Pranashakti is represented by Agni. I need to be dynamic. First of all, practice this. Any time in the day. Okay? Even if you are 70% successful, you're fine. You cannot be, if you are 100%, oh my God, I'll come to you and prostrate. Definitely. Any time in the day, you should be like about to dance for a song. The joy should be there in the face. That brightness, that happiness, that vitality, vigor, strength. Everything should be there irrespective of your age. Don't get excuses. Oh, I'm 50 over. Age 50. 800 ఏళ్ళు బతికాడు కృష్ణుడు అంటారు. 800 years Krishna's age, they say. 50K అయిపోయిందా నీకు? So, that is the main aim of this Indra Agni. Surya, Indra, Agni, Chandra. These 4. 4 are almost same. Indra is power. Surya is Chaitanyam, dynamism. Indrastam, Agnistam. Agni is a fire-like. What is the quality of fire? Everything burning. At the end of the day, you should not have any balance left. All the work clear. Desk should be neat. That's how you are appreciated. No, in the office. In this office, the desk should be neat. Then only you can get sleep. But we are thinking about something else. What will be about my position? That is Agni. It burns everything. Clean, makes you clean. Vayustvam. It expands. Vayu is here. Broad-mindedness. It makes you feel your presence in everything. Okay, I may not have it, but he has it. If I sit in that car, that's also fine. If I don't sit, even if he sits in the car, that's also fine. That Vayu is the Sanubhuti, Sahanubhuti. Whatever you feel, I'm also feeling. That kind of, Krishna ate that one last grain from Draupadi's vessel, and then the Durvasa and all his Sishya's tummies have filled up. That is the expansion of them. Then, Chandramasthvam, you are the one who is controlling my mind. Chandramasthvam. That's why Chandra is on the head. That's why Omkara is written with the crescent-shaped moon on the top. We'll come to that pretty soon. Now comes Brahma Bhur Bhuvasvarom. This Brahma is not that Brahma. Parabrahma, who is all pervading. Bhu Swaha, Bhuvaswaha, Suvaswaha. These are called Vyahurtis. In the Japa it will come. Bhur Bhuvaswaha, Bhur Bhuvaswaha, Swaha. Tomorrow I am going to do the same Prajapati Homam. This is compulsory for everybody. You don't need to do the Homam in reality. Bhu Swaha, Bhuvaswaha, Suvaswaha. The form, what I am seeing is Bhu. The imaginary sky, Swa. In between the space, Bhuvaha. Everywhere you are occupying. There is no place that you are not there. That is why our Mooladhara is the Sahasrara for animals. Some logic will say. Everywhere. That animal will think, let me take to that Mooladhara of human being, maybe. So everywhere, all pervading Brahman, Brahma, that Parabrahma, Bhur Bhuvasuva, the last one, Om. అంతటా వ్యాపించి ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రణవ రూపం నువ్వు. అకార ఉకార మకార. ఆ is female, U is male, and Ma is the Maya or word produced by the union between the male and the female. So this Omkara is all pervading. So Tvam Brahmatvam, Vishnutvam, Rudratvam, Indratvam, Magnitvam, Vayustvam, Suryatvam, Chandramatvam, Brahma Bhur Bhuvasvarom. At one stroke, you need to say. See, that why it is told like that is when the king comes. How do you hail the king? Rajadiraja, Rajamartanda, Gambhiranath. You go on without giving gap. This is the same way you need to recite. Don't recite Dam Brahma, Dam Vishnu, Dam Rudrasvam, Agni. No energy. Don't ever recite. Maybe Ganapati may get angry also. Let us go to that extent, that side for a while. What kind of shubh? Don't recite my name. I feel sad to hear my name from your mouth. Energy. That's why one stroke you practice. Okay? Next. Now comes. Let us recite this. Ganadim Tvam Gunatrayatitaha Tvam Avastatrayatitaha Tvam Dehatrayatitaha Tvam Kalatrayatitaha Tvam Mooladharastitosi Nityam Tvam Shaktitrayatmakaha Tvam Yoginodhyayanti Nityam Tvam Brahmatvam Vishnutvam Rudrastvam Indrastvam Magnitvam Vayutvam Duryatvam Chandramatvam Brahma Bhuvasvarom. Ganadim Purvamujjarya Varnadim Tadanantaram. Ganadim. Most people say Ganadim. Wrong. Ganadim Purvamucharya Varnadim Stadanantaram. Ganadim Purvamucharya Varnadim Stadanantaram. Anuswara Parataraha. Anuswara Parataraha. Ardhendulasitam. Ardhendulasitam. Tarena ruddham. Tarena ruddham. Ye tattavamanuswarupam. Ye tattavamanuswarupam. Gakara purvarupam. Gakara purvarupam. Akaro madhyama rupam. Akaro madhyama rupam. Anuswarasthyanthya rupam. Anuswarasthyanthya rupam. Anuswarasthya antya rupam. Anuswarasthya antya rupam. Anuswarasthyanthya rupam. Binduruttara Roopam, Binduruttara Roopam, Nada Sandhanam, Nada Sandhanam, Sanghita Sandhihi, Sanghita Sandhihi, Saisha Ganesha Vidya, Saisha Ganesha Vidya, Ganaka Rushihi, Ganaka Rushihi, Nishrut Gayatri Chandah, Nishrut Gayatri Chandah, Ganapatir Devata, Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha, Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Now, there are so many ways. I've been struggling. Every day, somebody told in the Facebook, better you recite Ganapati Adarasisham again and again and know the meaning, then only you tell meaning. I respect his wish. But what I am telling is not from book. If it is from book, I'll just read and tell. I don't know Sanskrit, that's why I refer book for to. But I will not tell the direct meaning and just keep quiet. Never. Neither I want you to learn only the direct. Sri Mata, auspicious mother. Sri Maharajni, great empress. What will you get? Don't stop there. Madhana, Amruta Madhana has been done. You won't believe, Chana already knows. From the morning I was doing Madhana on this. This is not the actual. It's something else, something else. And only at 2 o'clock we got the email from Lalita Parmeshwari at 108@gmail.com. No, and Ashtotra, no? Lalita Parmeshwari 108@gmail.com. Gmail is God mail, not this Gmail. So, and that says how the versions differ based on the mind and the thought, again which is produced by her only. What is the literal meaning? Ganadim Purvamucharyam. Purvamucharya. Gana, what is that in the word? The first letter is Ga. Gana Adim. The word Gana, the Adi is first Ga. So you should first say Ga. Ganadim Purvamucharya Varnadim Sadanantaram. Varna means Matruka Varnas. We practiced the other day Am Namaha. That A to Aha, 16, which control to the mind, infinite thoughts, which is represented by 1,000 number, 16 times 1,000, 16,000 gopikas, which produce different sounds. And one Krishna in between every sound, that is Nishabda. And this Rasalila is always going on in us. That 16 syllables, Varnadim. After G, A, then it becomes Ga. G, A, Ga. Ganadim Purvamucharya Varnadim Stadanantaram. Okay. Anuswara Paratara. Anuswara means the Purnaswaram. Many places they give nasal sound. No. It's almost like that, but Anuswara means Purnam. So, Gum. Gum. So the Bijakshara is explaining how it is produced. Later on we go to the Tattvam. Gum. Ardhendulasitam. This is where everybody has to learn. This is the triggering mechanism which Ambal has given. Many places it's giving Om Gang Ganapate, Gang, Gang, G-A-N-G. If it is G-A-N-G, then 28 letters, Om, Srim, Bring, Kling, Glaum, Gang, Ganapati, 27 and half only. The 28 will be there only if it is Gam, Ganapati. So some there. So what is this nasal sound coming here? Ardhe and Lasitam. When you say gum, gum, you extend that makara, there is a vibratory note. After this class is over, if you want, just say, ga starts from here, Mooladhara, picks up from here, the vowels, because ends here, ma is here, so ma is here, ma is here, right? And then the vibration should end at 2 inches above. Feel that. Gum, gum. Immediately, some opening like they will come in the eardrums, and you can see you can hear a different sound. Have you ever heard that? When you hold on to the makara, there'll be some opening like feeling in the eardrum, and you hear the sound from here. That's ends here. That vibratory note is ardhe endu lasitam. That's not purnam. Ardhendu. If it is purnam, purnendu. So it is like gum. Take the nada inside. That is why the gum bijaksara is always represented by the bell sound. A number of times I tell, right? The bell sound coming from a bronze bell, not silver or any other bell. So, while ringing the bell, if you want to invoke Ganapati and drive away the negativity, then you have to ring the bell in such a way that the first, every sound, there is a vibratory note. Tang, dang, dang, dang. Like Tirupati Naivedya bells. Have you heard in TTD website? That nada you should produce. At that tongue, that is a nasal sound. Gum. Okay, that is Ardhendra Lasitam. Tarena Ruddham. Ruddham means you enhance the power of this swaram by adding Om to that. Om is the Ruddha, that Vriddhi, that swara which increases the power of this energy of this swaram. So, combining together, Om Gam, Om Gam, Om Gam. This is Ganapati Bijaksharam. That's what is there. Even if you cannot recite Om Srim Ring Kling Glaum Gam Ganapati Evaravartham Sarvajanam Eva Samanaya Swaha. 28 letters you may not be able to recite. But you just recite Om Pranavam Gam Ga A the Ardhendra Lasitam. So that is one meaning. Now, let us come to the other meaning. Ganadim Purvamucharya. When I am doing meditation on Ganapati, first I need to see him in all the ganas around me. Like I told, Manusha Gana, Krimi Gana, Kita Gana, Vrusha Gana. The form I am focusing. That's the first thing. That is why in the Dhyana Sloka, Sindhurarana Vigraham, Hrinkarasana Garbitam, Shuklam Bharadaram Vishnum, Shantakaram Bhujagasenam, it describes the form only. It directly doesn't go to the Tattvam. So I need that form. Rakta Chandana, the red sandalwood color, 10 hands, in all the 10 hands, the 10 Aidhas, with Purna Kalasham in his trunk, Lambodara with Siddhalakshmi, he is embracing with his left hand. Santushta, Prasannavadana, that Ganapati. So the form is coming before me. That is Ganadim Purvamucharya. Then comes Varnadim. Ganadim. They are not elongating that. What is important, they are stressing much longer. Varnadim. Don't stop at the form. Go inside. Varna means color, tattvam, description. So all are different forms, but their natures based on that form. A tiger, if it behaves like a deer, it's a deer in a tiger. The tattvam is more important. So from the rupam, you go to the tattvam. That's where Hrinkarasana Garbitam Nalasikam. Hrim comes from here. So Hrim is Hakar, Rakar, Ikara. That one, that fire which burns my ego and gives me power to conquer this Maya created by that universal mother. And that you reside on, O Mother Tattvam. Otherwise, you are just carried away by the Hrim, 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 Hrim. Not knowing what it is doing, what it has to do. So, from the Rupam, you go to the Tattvam. Varnadim Tadarantaram. Then, Anuspara Parataraha. The Rupam and Tattvam gives you a completeness. That means, I need to do justice to my Rupam. My Tattvam should match my Rupam. I'm a Manushya, I'm not a Rakshasa. When I'm angry, I'm a Rakshasa. I'm a selfish, narrow-minded, I'm a Brahma Rakshasa. When I'm praying, I'm kindling my divinity in me. எல்லாருக்குமே promotion வேணும். All the jobs you want promotion. You don't want promotion in this body? You don't want to become Deva from Manushya? Demotion தான் எப்பவுமே. Anytime you have anger, imagine that you are falling Chuta. You need Achyuta. So, I need to have the synchronization between my form and my Tattvam. The two together gives me completeness. Right? Anuspara Paradaraha Adhendulasitam. That's where the secret of the Dhyanam is coming. Ardhendulasitam. Behind every completion, I see the vibration of God. A tiger killing a deer is also complete, and I see why the God in this. Everything which is happening in this. A Rakshasa behaving like a Rakshasa is a normal thing, because he is a Rakshasa. So, behind every completion, I see this vibration. And finally, we close the show with Omkaram as usual. Tarena Rudam Ye Tattava Manuswarupam. Manu means mantra. Some people also give Manushya Rupam. No, Manu. Mantra Rupam. So, your mantra means Om Gam, which is made up of Pranavam, Ug plus A plus Ma, and that vibratory note and the Purna Swaram. That is your Swarup. Gana Ye Tattavamanu Swarupam. That is a meditation. Now come, how I have to experience this mantra. Whenever I say Ga, even though Ga is here in the Anahata petal, it goes and like a springboard on a swimming pool. You go and jump and then rise up and dive into the swimming pool. This Ga goes and press. Imagine it is pressing the Mooladhara and kindling that Kundalini Shakti. Gam. In the Omkara also, many people, Akara, Ukara, Makara. Okay. all the three should be given equal note. A, U, Ma. So again, Gakaram from here, it goes and hits and comes. Akara, Gakara Purva Rupam, experience Gakara in the Mooladhara. And experience the mother, the Prana Shakti in your throat. Akara, Madhyama Rupam. And then join these two, take them to, this is the sadhana, Gam. Makara should be felt at the Sahasraram. And then you hold that Makaram, Gam, in such a length that hits this Sahasrara. That's when you feel that snake biting. How can I explain? You know, they extract venom from in the snake part. They put a rubber sheet to a glass and hold the snake and make the snake bite that. And then the venom falls in that. The same way, when you hold the makaram, it induces certain pressure, and that's a wonderful joy. And that pressure you need to experience. Gum. And then this vibration should end at 2 inches above. Then what is happens? Sanghita, Sandhinada, Sandhanam, that comes again. So Gakara, Akara, Makara, Purnam. Not Purnam, Makaram, the Purnaswaram. Gam. This is how you do the japam on the Bijaksham. Tattvam, everything we told. But when you are reciting, how do you recite? Gakara Purva Rupam, which is stability. The more you feel, the sound need not come. Don't focus on the external sound. The pressure at the Mooladhara you experience when you are saying, everything will be focused. And that pressure is useful to you. Then bring that. Put the pressure here. And then it becomes Vaikhari then. Gam, Gakara Purva Rupam, Akaro Madhyama Rupam, Anuswarastyahantya Rupam, the vibration, Binduruttar Rupam, then Nada Sandhanam. This method of reciting the Bijakshara will make this internal sound unite with the external sound. Nada Sandhanam. They say, literal meaning is, all the sounds of ga, a, that vibrate note, everything put together is gam. But inner meaning is, if you hold that nadam like that, then it will unite you with the inner nadam, anahata shabdam, nada sandhanam. So when I am reciting that mantram, the most important thing is I need to focus on the nadam. Whereas my scriptures, my desires are making me to focus on the murti before me. The secret is to go from the form to formless, but I'm going from formless to form. Using a mantra, I'm going to the form. So, Nada Sandharam. After Makara, Nada, Bindu, Kala, 7 stages are there. Only up to one stage we are experiencing. When you hold and keep that nadam, then what exactly is nadam you will be. That's why Balamurali Krishna and all the musicians, before they start the kacheri, Mm. Mm. Why they do? They are doing the Nadopasana. That vibration, if you experience, trust me, Ambal will speak through you. That is where she is hiding, behind the Nadam. And this whole paragraph is the secret of Ganapati Dhyanam. So, Nadasandhanam Sanghita Sandhihi. It's a science of joining different sounds from different levels, picking up different tattvam to make a Purna Tattvam. We'll meet again tomorrow, 6 p.m. Sri Matra Nama.